Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening NGL and signing in. This is where your anonymous link lives. Once done, tap Share or Copy Link so you have the exact URL. Make sure you choose the public link, not a test or expired link, because Instagram needs a persistent destination. You're getting ready to paste that address into Instagram, so leave the link copied or accessible in a Notes app. This step prevents back and forth and saves time when you switch to Instagram. You'll create an Instagram story next. Pick a simple photo or colored background for clarity. Then tap the sticker tool, select the link sticker, and paste your NGL URL. Customize the sticker text so viewers know what to do. Once placed, resize and position it where it won't be obscured by usernames or the poll bar. Make sure to add a brief call to action like "Ask me anything" so people understand the purpose. This increases clicks and incoming questions. You post the story and then monitor replies in your NGL dashboard. Be ready to reply or share answers on Instagram to keep engagement going. Once done, save the story to highlights for continuous access and make sure the link remains active. If viewers report the link not working, first recopy the URL from NGL, then test it in a browser. If it still fails, check NGL status or place the link in your Instagram bio and instruct followers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.